Every day, nearly 4,000 people contract HIV, an epidemic that has shaped the global health landscape for over 4 decades. Despite advances in treatment and prevention, the virus continues to claim lives and impose devastating economic and social burdens, particularly in Sub-Saharan Africa. But a groundbreaking development offers unprecedented hope. Lenacapavir, a twice-yearly injectable medication, could transform HIV prevention and bring the world closer than ever to ending the AIDS crisis. Highlighted by Science magazine as the 2024 Breakthrough of the Year, Lenacapavir has shown extraordinary efficacy in clinical trials. In the Purpose 1 trial, conducted on 5,300 cisgender women in South Africa and Uganda, no participant contracted HIV since the study began in 2021, a 100% success rate. Purpose 2, which involved over 3,200 participants across Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, Peru, South Africa, Thailand, and the United States, demonstrated a 96% efficacy rate. These results position Lenacapavir as a game-changer in the fight against HIV. Lenacapavir's innovative mechanism targets the virus's capsid protein, a structure vital to HIV replication. By stabilizing this protein, the drug prevents the virus from completing key stages of its life cycle. This approach contrasts with existing daily oral pre-exposure prophylaxis PrEP regimens such as Truvada, which, while effective in controlled trials, face significant challenges with real-world adherence. Lenacapavir's twice-yearly injection format reduces this burden, addressing stigma, logistical hurdles, and the inconvenience associated with daily medication. The drug's potential impact is particularly significant in Sub-Saharan Africa, which bears the brunt of the HIV epidemic. With 25.7 million of the world's 38.4 million HIV cases concentrated in the region, and young women disproportionately affected, Lenacapavir could alter the trajectory of the epidemic. Its simplicity and efficacy provide a much-needed alternative for populations where oral PrEP uptake has been limited by stigma and discrimination. However, substantial challenges remain. Accessibility is a critical issue. While oral PrEP can cost as little as $4 per month in some regions, Lenacapavir's current price, over $42,000 annually in the United States, is far out of reach for most low-income countries. Studies estimate that for South Africa, a viable price for PrEP medications is under $54 per year per patient. Bridging this gap will require urgent action from pharmaceutical companies, governments, and global health organizations. Public-private partnerships, subsidies, and expedited generic production are among the strategies that could make the drug affordable and widely available. The historical significance of this moment echoes past public health milestones, such as the rollout of antiretroviral therapies in the 1990s and the global vaccination campaigns that eradicated diseases like smallpox. Lenacapavir holds the potential to join these ranks, redefining what is possible in the fight against HIV/AIDS. But as history has shown, scientific breakthroughs must be matched by infrastructure, policy, and political will to achieve their full impact. The broader implications of ending the AIDS crisis extend far beyond health. An HIV-free generation could drive economic growth, reduce healthcare burdens, and empower communities long constrained by the epidemic. Success would not only represent a triumph for science, but also a profound shift in global equity and opportunity. As Gilead Sciences moves forward with regulatory filings and anticipates a market launch in 2025, the responsibility for making Lenacapavir accessible lies with the global health community. Advocacy groups have emphasized the urgency of ensuring the drug reaches the populations who need it most, particularly in trial regions where it has already demonstrated life-changing potential. The stakes are clear. With coordinated global action, Lenacapavir could end new HIV infections and bring humanity closer to eradicating one of its deadliest epidemics. The world stands on the brink of a transformative moment in public health. Lenacapavir represents more than just a scientific breakthrough. It is a beacon of hope for millions at risk. But turning this hope into reality requires collective resolve, investment, and innovation. The end of the AIDS crisis is no longer an unattainable dream, it is within reach. The question is whether we have the determination to grasp it. Please subscribe to the Intellectualist's new YouTube channel, where we present insightful videos analyzing the current events shaping the world. Turn on notifications to receive the latest updates from the channel.